Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's second part of the Bitcoin update, and guys join me into the Discord as well because I did make an announcement out here for into the Discord just a little bit while ago that major resistance hit for Bitcoin, so you guys have to be very careful. In my opinion, at this point of time, there's going to be a little bit of a distribution right here, the way you saw something very similar to this one right there. I'm going to show you while zooming in into the picture right there. Okay, so this is known as a distribution, and that's not good. People are actually distributing Bitcoin. They're not buying Bitcoin, they're selling Bitcoin. Okay, so you're gonna have a little bit of this distribution just the way you had it before, and then from there potentially go to the downside because the market is actually really overheated right now, and we also have some bearish divergence on the RSI as well. So I am expecting Bitcoin to go a little bit to the downside as well, and have a little bit of a pullback potentially to these areas right there. And as I told you before, this one is expected coming down to the 39,000 is expected. Okay, that's an area of influence at that point of time. It could take some few days, and I expect Bitcoin to retrace down there by weekend, not in 5 minutes or 10 minutes after I made this video. So if you're in profits, if you took some entries down below, you might think taking out your profit because you're taking out your profit at a major resistance right there. Okay, so what you're pulling here right now in the next 52 minutes is a shooting star. Okay, so this is a bearish pattern, this one right here, that's a shooting star, and you're going to see from here the market slowly starts to decline to the downside right in the next 4 or 5 days until the weekends. That's what's expected. So let me do a little bit of a quick Google right there. So let's say shooting star candlestick right there. It hasn't closed just yet. It's about to close in the next 52 minutes from the time that I'm recording the video. Yeah, so here we are. This is the shooting star that I want to talk about. So this is absolutely the same, and it's just a huge big signal that the market is about to reverse to the other direction, which you don't want it to go down. I don't know why the hell the images don't load when it's so serious for me to actually put in. Let me open up one again. All right, so this is a shooting star, and you can see it made one. You did have a little bit of an upside, but then again you start to dump. So if this is a shooting star, this is where you're gonna put a stop loss. If you go above 44,938, if you start to cross this level and close above this level, like for example you close here above the shooting star itself, I'm going to actually mark this blue line right there. If you start to cross this level and you hold it actually, then the shooting star becomes invalidated and you're not going to go to the upside, but it's less likely for that to happen, right? So that's it for this quick update. I do expect now to have slowly but surely a little bit of retracement until potentially what's today's 1st of March, and we're gonna see this retracement playing out until the week ends. Okay, weekends and in Saturday, Sunday, and then the Monday we start to actually go a little bit up again, because now it seems like you're really trying to form that ascending triangle, come here then go up again to the 45k and get rejected until you don't make that decision. And that's it. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with the lengthy one. Allah Hafiz.